Namaste students. Today's our topic is difference between a hiba bil iwaj and hiba ba shartul waj. Hiba is a transfer of ownership in property made without consideration immediately when a gift is made by Muslim. It is called hiba. The provision relating to gift has been given under the Transfer of Property Act 1882. Section 122 to 129 deal with gift. Section 129 of TPA Transfer of Property Act 1882 provides that the provision relating to gift shall not be applicable on gift made by Muslims. Therefore, hiba is regulated by Muslim personal law as it has been also given in Section 2 of the Shariat Act 1937. Essential conditions for a valid hiba. For a valid hiba, there must be a declaration, acceptance and the delivery of possession. A hiba is not valid unless these three elements are fulfilled. Meaning hiba bil iwaj. Hiba means gift and iwaj means consideration or return. Therefore, hiba bil iwaj means gift for consideration or something in lieu of gift. If a gift has been made and completed subsequently, donee also gives something to donor in lieu of the gift. Essentials of valid hiba bil iwaj. For a valid hiba bil iwaj, following two essentials are necessary: a valid and complete gift by the donor and actual payment of consideration by donee. In other words, we can say that it is hiba or hiba. Meaning of hiba ba shartul waj is a form of hiba bil iwaj with a condition, shart. In this transaction, donee does not pay the consideration voluntarily, but it is paid to fulfill the condition imposed by donor. The subsequent gift by the donor to donee is the condition precedent. The subsequent gift is not consideration of first gift, but it is given in the compliance of condition precedent. Difference between hiba bil iwaj and hiba bil shartul iwaj. In hiba bil iwaj, the consideration is paid by donee voluntarily, whereas in hiba bil shartul iwaj, payment is a condition precedent. In hiba bil iwaj, the consideration is the bill of donee, but in hiba bil shartul iwaj, the value and kinds of consideration is at the discretion of the donor. Hiba bil iwaj is not a hiba. It is either sale or exchange, whereas hiba bil shartul iwaj is treated as hiba. Doctrine of Musa is not applicable the hiba bil iwaj, whereas the doctrine is applicable to hiba bil shartul iwaj. Since hiba bil iwaj is not gift, it is either sale or exchange. Therefore, it must be in writing and registered. Whereas in hiba bil shartul iwaj, writing as registration is neither necessary nor sufficient. In hiba bil iwaj, the delivery of possession is not necessary, whereas it is necessary in hiba bil shartul iwaj. The hiba bil iwaj become irrevocable as soon as made, whereas hiba bil shartul iwaj is revocable and become irrevocable only after the payment of iwaj by the donee. Thank you so much.